At Blake, we're constantly focused on innovating and improving the quality and functionality of our products. To do this, we've teamed up with Kern, world-leading manufacturers of envelope insertion machinery. Together, we've produced an envelope that will run and match the maximum running speeds of their envelope insertion machinery. We've recently made some considerable changes to our premium Postfast range of mailing wallets, ensuring that we can offer a product that is at the very top of the market in terms of quality and runnability.
We have built some really unique features into these envelopes, giving special attention to the throat aperture, the flap profile and the side seams to ensure they perform consistently without jamming. Quality control is of the utmost importance to Blake. Every product that leaves our warehouse undergoes a rigorous checking process to ensure our customers can rely on our product to perform, meet and ultimately exceed their expectations.
So I'm David Richards, I'm Kern's Technical Training Manager. Worked for Kern for 27 years. Kern make high-speed mailing equipment. Years and years ago, it didn't really matter whether the envelope was perfect or not because the systems were running at such slow speeds. But as the speeds get higher and higher, then it becomes more important that the envelope is made to a very exacting quality. If you lose a minute's production because of a jam, somebody having to dig that out, then over a day, you could be losing 10, 20,000 on the production side of things. And the actual system's only got milliseconds really to get the actual envelope or the actual document into the envelope, so the whole sort of stock, could be envelopes or inserts or anything, is actually vital to that. So this is a pocket of a K3500, a high-speed system. The idea of the pocket is that when the actual insert goes into the pocket, and then the envelope slides over the actual outside of the pocket, and then they're both taken away. The more traditional envelope had a square throat on there, and when this actually sort of rode in onto the pocket, there was a chance of it catching. What Blake's have done is actually sort of changed the profile to a rounded sort of edge, which makes it a lot smoother. Okay, so let's have a look at a K2600 and Blake envelopes running through the machine. So this is the Kern 2600 insert station. So the inserts are loaded in like so, and then they can be fired down onto the bed of the machine. So this is the most critical part. This is the insertion point on the actual 2600 system. The envelope comes up to the insertion point. The suction cups open the envelope. The insert is then pushed into the actual open envelope, and then everything's taken out the way and the envelope moves on to the next position. Then the whole envelope comes up to the actual sealing unit. Probably got a few seconds to do that. So that's where it's critical that the actual glue is of good quality to begin with, otherwise that could cause you problems and crashes on the vertical stacker. We've been testing Blake envelopes down on our machine here, down at Fairham with the K2600. It's very, very good quality, very well packaged, and has been running very, very efficiently on our machines. And because of that, we're very happy to endorse Blake envelopes to run on our Kern machines.
1 in every 8 envelopes used in the UK is a Blake envelope, so it's very important to us that our products are of the highest quality. To have a range that's been endorsed by a company like Kern is the equivalent to having a world-recognised accreditation. We're simply delighted with the outcome of this collaboration.